This is how I made my van conversion removable. Actually, let's start a timer so we can see how long the process takes. I started by removing the drawer under the bed and then the storage boxes too. Next, I'll remove the wheel arch storage box, and this is held in place by 2 turnbuckles concealed within the box. The turnbuckles hook onto the load rings built into the van floor, of which there are 6 in the Nissan NB200. I think the main reason I wanted to have removable furniture in the van was so that it can be used for other purposes as well as just a camper, like if I need to move house or shift some big items around. Anyway, after the storage box was removed, I grabbed a drill and undid the bolts holding the floating table unit to the wall. With that down, it's time to shift the bed. This is held in like the storage box with a couple of turnbuckles and also a bolt into a built-in screw thread on the column behind the front passenger seat. It's really handy having screw threads dotted around the place in the van as it gives so many attachment points. With the bed eased out, that's the van empty. So what do you think? Is a removable van conversion a good idea or a waste of time? Let me know in the comments below. Time to put it all back in, I suppose.